just went in with some primer first, so that the foundation lays down pretty smooth. Next, because I have quite some pigmentation on my face, I'm gonna go in with this color corrector. It's from the House of Makeup. I'm just gonna place a little bit of it here and there. Now, as usual, I'm going to use a beauty blender because I love using beauty blenders. Blend it. Now for foundation, this is the foundation that I am using. This is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, matte and poreless in 310. So I've actually used the whole bottle of this foundation. The product does not pump out much. It's like a nice cute pump. I have pumped out 2 pumps usually is what I go with. Yeah, I've been using this foundation for quite some time. Yeah, so as you can see, I pumped out the foundation on the back of my hand, and I'm just gonna mix the foundation and I apply it like this. This is just the way that I apply it. Then I go back in with my sponge. I dab whatever's there, excess of my hand, and then I start blending. So the thing is that this foundation makes your skin look really natural, which I love. It gives a nice finish. The thing is that I have oily skin. So with oily skin, over the period of time, my face looks a lot shiny. Like, it looks very shiny throughout the day. Although sometimes I like it looking, nice and healthy and shiny, but it looks so shiny that it is at the verge of being oily. You know what I mean? Like, I've had people come up to me and be like, ooh, you should dab that oil. So yeah, it's that shiny. But I think it would work great for, not too humid weathers. And actually it sits really well on the skin. Like, see, I've got like an even coverage right now. So you see, it's pretty easy to blend, and and blends like a dream. It looks pretty seamless. Yeah. Just getting a little bit on my chest so that everything looks even. But yeah, as for this foundation, it goes on pretty well. It stays the whole day. just one thing that it makes me look really oily, and I already have really oily skin. um yeah, but I think for dry skin girls this is a great option. It's really budget friendly and you can find it anywhere. It's like almost available all places. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish my makeup and be right back. Hey guys, so this is my makeup complete right here. As you can see, my skin looks pretty even toned, flawless looking. It looks pretty natural, I would say. Yeah, the only complaint that I have with it is that it gets too oily on me at times. I think all the time right now, because I'm in an AC environment, and like, there is yeah, like there's no heat in this room. That's why it's looking this matte. Otherwise during the day, it tends to get a little bit oily, and yeah, you just look a little greasy at the end of the day. But I think for dry skin girls this would look like, this would work perfectly. Yeah, they have a lot of shades, easy to apply, affordable. I mean, what can I say, it's actually a good foundation. Yeah, so this is like a mini review of this foundation right here. And yeah, if you like this review and if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.